Down and dirty, how to do an oil change if you've never done one on a pit bike, mini bike. This is a 110 Chinese for the kid. Gonna be quick. Buy a good oil. This one takes 1040, but it's a 1040 designed for bikes because it's got special stuff in it for clutches. If you see 1040 for diesel oil, don't get it. It's gonna mess up the clutch, gonna slip a lot, it's not gonna be worth it. You're also gonna get a crush washer for the oil plug. Now, if you're already ready to do this and you don't have a crush washer, don't stress about it, clean off really well. Most of the time you can reuse it once. It's not recommended because it might leak. You wanna make sure the bike is started up, warmed up before you take the oil plug out. The oil pan, oil drains out of this bolt. Loosen the bolt, take it off, let all the oil drain out. You're gonna get the bike as level as possible. I just use something that prop it up on the kickstand. Doesn't have to be perfect, level as possible. You can get as most out as possible. All right, once all the oil's out, the plug's cleaned up, nothing else is coming out, I'm gonna put that oil plug back in. Use the fill port. Now, the instructions will tell you some number to put in there. It's gonna be hard to read when you're trying to put it in because it's not a full quart most of the time. This is the best way I found to do it. Open up your book, find out how much it takes. 0.6 of a quart. Now, most of the time, these numbers don't go all the way up, so there's really no 0.6 of a quart, but if you do the math real quick on the milliliters, so you convert it to the milliliters, then you do the math on the milliliters, what it has in it, what you're about to use. Reverse this number won't be negative, but it's the same number either way. 378. All right, so you have 378 left on the milliliter side, which is gonna be right around that 400. So you pour it in so you get the 400, you check. If you're good, you're good. Make sure the bike is level when you check it. If you're not good, put in a little bit more, check again. The process, I have an oil jug that I have a mark on that's the perfect number. I just poured into that 1 quart oil. I can see how much is in there. I can pour it in there, it's perfectly fine. But once it's done, put the dipstick back in it, fire it back up, burn it for a little while, make sure everything's good. That's it, you're done. It's a quick oil change, it only takes 10-15 minutes.